To fix iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi, we start by forgetting the network you're trying to connect to. Go to Settings, WLAN, select the network, and tap Forget this network. Next, turn off Wi-Fi on your device. And perform a force restart to refresh the system. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, then release it. Once your iPhone restarts, go back to Settings, WLAN. Toggle Wi-Fi back on, and reconnect to your network by entering the password. If the issue persists, check your screen time settings, open Settings, tap Screen Time, and then Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. If the problem still isn't resolved, reset your network settings, go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so you'll need to reconnect manually. Sometimes, the issue is caused by system bugs. Updating iOS can help. Go to Settings, General, Software Update and check for available updates. Download and install the latest version. If none of the above solutions work, Joyoshare ULT Fix is a great option for fixing over 150 iOS system issues. Open the software and select iOS System Repair. Click Start and choose Standard Repair, which will not cause data loss. Download the firmware package by clicking Download. Once downloaded, the package will be verified. After verification, click Start Repair to begin fixing your iPhone's Wi-Fi issue. Wait for the repair process to complete, and your device should be good to go. If other devices are also experiencing connectivity issues, the problem might lie with your router or internet service provider. In such cases, check your router or contact your ISP for assistance.